Hi everyone, it's Maddie from Hootsuite. Let's take a look at how Adobe Express and Hootsuite work seamlessly together to create, schedule, and share standout content faster than ever.
Start by creating stunning visuals in Adobe Express, graphics, videos, or animations using easy-to-edit templates. Finished designing? Schedule, view, and edit your post using the Hootsuite add-on. Simply choose your social profiles, write your caption, and schedule your post, all without leaving Adobe Express. Prefer working from Hootsuite? No problem. The Adobe Express app is also integrated into Hootsuite, allowing you to create content directly from your dashboard. Once your design is ready, export it straight into Hootsuite to schedule or publish. This integration keeps your workflow fast, efficient, and creative, so you can focus on what matters, engaging your audience. Ready to tell your brand story with impact? Try Adobe Express and Hootsuite together today.